Tonight's town hall, the first since the recall election was set in stone. Good evening, everyone. I'm Sarah CARLSON. Eric Franke has the night off. That primary is set for May 8th. Governor Scott Walker declined to show, but Republican candidate Mike MANGAN, as well as Democrats Tom Barrett, Kathleen Falk, Doug LaFollette, and Kathleen Vinehout answered questions from the audience. In our campaign 2012 coverage tonight, the night team's Maria Guerrero is live in Milwaukee with what the candidates are saying.
Well, simply put, Sarah, they say Scott Walker has got to go. The candidates not even addressing each other at tonight's forum here in Milwaukee, rather going straight for the governor himself. More than 500 people in attendance tonight. Early on, many were chanting, "Recall Walker." This town hall was organized in part by unions, and it was the first public forum for these candidates. Like you said, 4 Democrats and 1 Republican, taking several questions from the audience. Everything from job creation and education to taxing the wealthy being discussed tonight. And here's part of the candidates' pitch to the people of Wisconsin.
We want great schools for our kids. We want health care when we need it. We want a good paying job, and we want some clean air and water so when we're not working, we have a place to play with our kids. We don't ask for too much. And Governor Walker has assaulted every one of these core values, and that's why we will recall him in 61 days.
I know state government. I know what needs to be done. In the 6 years that I've been in the Senate, I have taken an active role in every single major issue facing this state. The budget, health care, school funding, government effectiveness. I haven't been afraid to propose solutions even when people told me it was politically unwise.
I am running for a very personal reason. I learned just recently that I have 5 Irish ancestors from Chilton, Wisconsin, who fought for Lincoln, including my great-great-grandfather. I never knew I had a great-great-grandfather until November. 2 of them died, and I've decided that it's time to take the party back from the Republican Party, the conservative Republican Party.
And he kept talking about creating those 250,000 jobs. But he got in office, and rather than working to create those 250,000 jobs, he decided in February of 2011, and these are his words, to drop the bomb. He dropped the bomb in this state, and he started a civil war that has lasted in this state for the last 15 months. And I am here tonight to tell you that I will end the civil war in Wisconsin.
I've stood with you, and if you stand with me, we can send Walker back to the private sector, where maybe he can earn enough money to make his wife happy. What do you think about that?
And Milwaukee Mayor Tom Barrett, something interesting to note, Milwaukee Mayor Tom Barrett arrived to tonight's event here in Milwaukee in his city 30 minutes late, and the event itself was pushed back 30 minutes, so he was really 1 hour late. I talked to his campaign, and they said he basically just had a prior commitment and wasn't able to make it until when he did, like I said, 30 minutes after the event got started. Also of note, noticeably absent, of course, is the governor himself. The Friends of the Governor campaign telling me that he basically had prior commitments and scheduling conflicts that he could not get out of, so he was not able to come here tonight. He was instead in northwestern Wisconsin today, Sarah, signing some bills.
Certainly a packed house there tonight. Thank you, Maria.